Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to CCV Knowledge Hub. In this session, I will explain profile in Salesforce. So, in this particular session, I will explain what is profile and what are the different types of profiles available in Salesforce, and some important questions, interview questions we will see. So, let's see. First thing is what is profile. So profile in a Salesforce controlled what user can access and what user can see in the organization level. And every profile is designed for a specific license. And a license will tell your capability, and profile will tell about the work and what you want to see and what type of applications, what type of tabs, all these things it will control. We will see in the later sessions. It's very important thing here. Every user will have only one profile. So that means for every user we can assign one profile. So let's move to next points. If anybody want to create any new application, they should have customized application permission. So any person, if they want to create a new application, they should have customized application permission in administrative permission section in the profiles. And the administrator also have one license, and it's a profile. Admin is a profile. Salesforce admin we can identify. So mainly the profile controlled in the below things. You have to remember always these points. Which applications user can access will controlled by profiles, and which objects user can access, and field level permissions, and object level permissions, field level permissions, and tab permissions, which tabs we can show to the particular user in the profile. So all these things we will maintain, and also record type permissions, what and administrative permissions, and user level permissions, and page layout permissions. All these things we will maintain by using the profiles. So this is very important thing, always we have to remember. And next, let's move to what are the different types of profiles in Salesforce. So if you see, there are two types of profiles available. One is standard profiles, and next one is custom profiles. So as usual, standard profiles means Salesforce will give some default profiles, that is called standard profiles, and custom profiles user will create the profiles as per our requirement, right? So let's see standard profiles. Profiles created by the Salesforce to meet the global CRM requirements. So standard profiles means some default. If you after creating the any trial account or anything, by default it will give some profiles. For example, system administrator, and Salesforce platform user, marketing user, solution manager. So all these things are standard profiles we will get with the application, right, by default. And let's see custom profiles. So custom profiles are created by the user to meet his organizational requirement. So every custom profile is a clone of any one of the existing profile. That means any one existing profile you have to select, from that you have to clone. That means you have to copy from that. And the steps to create a custom profiles. First we will see in the navigation in the classic: setup, administer, manage users, profiles, new profile. So here if you see step 1, choose the existing profile. First we have to select the existing profile and check that particular license. If you want to change the license, yes, we can change in this point. And enter the custom profile name. So what name you want according to your requirement, which name you want to give, and click on save, and click on edit button, customize the permissions, and save. So these are the different steps available in the classic version. And Let's see in the lightning version. So here setup, administration, users, profiles, new profile. So choose any one of the profile built on license you want. And step 2 is check the license. Same in classic what we did, same way. So because we are creating profiles, new profile from the existing profile, clone. Enter a new profile and save, edit, modify the permissions and click on save. So let's see the important questions, important interview questions related to the profiles. So very first question, how many users we can assign the same profile to any number of users? That means one profile we can assign to any number of users. My second question is, if two users have same profile, will they get the same permissions? Yes. So if you are assigning same profile to different users, yes, they will get the same access permissions. And the next question is, to how many users we can assign the same profile? Any number of users we can assign same profile. So if two users have same profile, will they get the same permissions? Yes. I think this is the same thing, right? And let's move to another questions. Can we delete a standard profile? No, it's not possible. We cannot delete, but we can customize. So we cannot delete the standard profiles. Can we delete custom profiles? Yes, we can delete it. Which users can see the setup menu? So users whose profile has view setup and configuration option enabled. So view setup and configuration option. So this setup, this particular permission is enabled in the profile level. Yes, they are able to see the setup button. So to customize the application. It's very important. And the next one is, who can manage the profiles? User whose profile has permissions, right? So that persons can manage. So which users having managed profiles and permission set and customize the application can create, edit, delete the profiles. So this is the question. For that answer is this one. Who can manage the profiles? So he is having the two different permissions. These two different permissions: manage profiles and permission sets, and customize the application and create, edit, delete the profiles. So friends, these are the very important interview questions about the profiles. So if you like this information, please subscribe CCV Knowledge Hub YouTube channel.